Uh, to your mind, how potential or how large could these synergies be, which eventually, if achieved well, can be used or utilized for the betterment on other social schemes, etc.?
So, as the Prime Minister has announced today, as part of PM's Gati Shakti initiative, is really to bring in coordination in the entire infrastructure development of the country. If you look at today, our logistics and supply chain costs as a percentage of GDP in India, it's about 13 to 14% versus about 8% for the better countries around the world. So there is a significant loss both in costs, in time, in inefficiencies due to our poor coordination on the logistics and supply chain side. And that is what this initiative aims with its single platform aims to be able to deliver on. If we assume that we can save even 3-4% of this over the next 7 to 10 years, that would be a saving of $120 to $150 billion a year. So a very significant cost. In addition, it brings a high level of consistency in delivery. Today, as the Prime Minister said, he wants India to become a global business hub. Now, as private sector, we can focus on building competitiveness, innovation, research, and create value-added products, but we can only control up to the factory gate. Beyond that, logistics ends up being out of our hands. And with this focus on improving logistics through better coordination, I believe that it can provide that additional shot in the arm to make Indian business globally competitive.
Mr. Bajaj, talking of coordination and as a part of the industry body, how have you observed the coordination between the government and the industry has been or has been trending? To us, we have observed that there have been a lot of changes in various ministries, and this kind of a coherence which is it is being attempted to be achieved for entities outside, bigger companies outside wanting to come into India, or even investors are observing the same. We get feedback. What is your own observation for last couple of years? Which direction? How is the direction between the industry and the government going? Coordination between them.
The direction is very positive. If you see in the last few years, a significant number of initiatives that the government is taking. One is even just the acknowledgement that private sector is here, private sector is to be encouraged, private sector is something that will take this country ahead, is a big acknowledgement for it to come right from the very top. If you look at the focus on manufacturing with the PLI schemes and the support even in the last 12-18 months given across multiple sectors through the pandemic have all been very timely. When you look at the entire health sector, the National Digital Health Mission, this aims to revitalize that sector, digitize it going forward. So if you see across a number of areas, focus on MSMEs, focus on large infrastructure opportunities, this government is opening up to the private sector. The biggest privatization that has happened recently, the Air India deal, just got announced a couple of days ago. Again, a big shot in the arm to say that this government can walk its talk. So of course, there is a lot more to be done, and there's a lot more that always has to be done. But we are seeing this clearly head in the right direction.
Mr. Bajaj, if I could, आपसे अगर हम ये जानना चाहें कि what is the sense you're getting on the state of the economy, on the quality of the capex cycle which is just starting to take off. I asked the same question Mr. Narendra as well just a while back. आपको क्या दिख रहा है जब आप अपने अदर इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट पीयर्स से बात करते हैं, जिस हिसाब से काफी सेक्टर्स आजकल कैपेक्स की लैंग्वेज बात करने लगे हैं जो ऑलमोस्ट लास्ट 10 इयर्स में नहीं हुआ था. गवर्नमेंट के ऑर्डर्स भी काफी आ रहे हैं. हम जब इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर रोड कंपनी से बात करते हैं वो कह रहे हैं कि एनएचएआई ने बहुत ऑर्डर्स दिए हुए हैं. आपको इस समय कैपेक्स साइकिल और स्टेट ऑफ इकोनॉमी कौन से फेज में नजर आ रही है, क्योंकि आपने भी काफी साइकिल्स देखे हैं?
तो हमारी जो सीआई मेंबर्स की, नेशनल काउंसिल मेंबर्स की सर्वे जो रिसेंटली की थी, इसमें इफ आई रिमेंबर द नंबर्स राइट, लगभग 20-25% of the surveyors already said कि they had started plans on additional capex. अगर आप देखें commodities में, infrastructure में, ये दिख रही है. Another 30% said that they are waiting and watching, and in the next quarter or two they are likely to decide. तो इकोनॉमी में जो हम स्टडी ग्रोथ देख रहे हैं मंथ ऑन मंथ फॉर द लास्ट 3 or 4 months आफ्टर द सेकंड वेव, this is something that we hope in the next 3-4 months continues there. There was a worry, of course, in the third quarter of the third wave striking us. I believe that is in very good control with all the effort that the governments and private sector have put in together. And assuming that that does not hit us or it doesn't hit us badly, you will see continued growth. And as a result of that, you should see this economy continuing to grow well quarter on quarter, and additional sectors coming in with their new capex plans as well.
Mr. Bajaj, please allow me the liberty to ask you a question on your sense on the consumers, mainly because of the companies the nature of the business your companies are in. Just क्योंकि हम लोग फेस्टिव सीजन के एकदम आसपास आ गए हैं, आपको क्या सेंस लग रहा है फेस्टिव सीजन किस तरह का होगा? कंज्यूमर डिमांड वापस आ रही है, अनलॉक का थीम भी बहुत सारे स्टेट्स ने ओपन अप शुरू कर दिया, वैक्सीनेशंस बहुत जोर से रिवाइव हो गई हैं और उसी वजह से साइंस है, अर्ली साइंस की इकोनॉमी वापस आ रही है. आपको इस बार कंज्यूमर किस तरह का बिहेव करता हुआ नजर आता है नेक्स्ट 2-3 महीने इन द फेस्टिव सीजन?
तो अगर आप देखें पिछले 2-4 महीने में और शहर खुल रहे हैं, and as cities are opening up, it is giving people confidence that the pandemic is in good control. And we can see after the second wave as well that whether it is city governments, state governments or the central government are taking that additional care to see that we don't have another strong wave. Keeping this in mind, on the consumer side, अगर आप middle class देखें, the middle class has not lost jobs in any significant manner, and they have saved a lot of money, whether the money was on travel, whether it was on other expenses. Keeping this in mind, I believe the consuming class is looking to spend this time with the festival season. So we are hoping to see a good festival season coming up in the next month or two, we should know.
Right, all right, Mr. Bajaj, times Ichi Now और Ichi Now स्वदेश से बात करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. That was Sajeev Bajaj, chairman of Bajaj Finance and president at CII.
Well, there you go. That's Sanjeev Bajaj of Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, the Vice President of the CII, in conversation with my colleague Ajay Sharma. It's a network exclusive on ET Now and ET Now Swadesh. Daljit Singh Kohli is also